Alright, let us now derive the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine 80. So, again, we will use the integral of 0 to infinity times the exponential term e raised to negative st times the function that we're going to put or transform in the s domain, which is hyperbolic cosine of 80 dt. But for this particular case, there is an easier way. Recall from your trigonometry that hyperbolic cosine of is equal to 1/2 e raised to 80 minus e raised to negative 80. This should be plus pala. So, hyperbolic cosine of 80 is equivalent to 1/2 quantity e raised to 80 plus e raised to negative 80. So, instead of using this, we can directly use the previous formula that we've derived, which is the formula for the Laplace transform of e raised to 80. So, let's rewrite our equation. So, instead of using this integral, so maganda gamitin natin is this. Let's just convert this to this. So, this is equal to the Laplace transform of 1/2 times e raised to 80 plus e raised to negative 80. And from here, mas madali nating ma-derive yung formula for the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of 80. Okay? So, what will happen? Again, from our previous discussion or previous derivation, take note of formula number 3, that the Laplace transform of e raised to 80 is equal to 1 over s minus a. So, we will simply apply this formula. Itong formula to dito. So, let's proceed. So, labas natin si 1/2. And we'll have the Laplace transform of e raised to 80 plus e raised to negative 80. Okay. Then let's use the formula. Okay. So, what will we have? 1/2. The Laplace transform of, madidistribute kasi yung Laplace transform operator sa loob. So, we will have, anong sagot? The Laplace transform of e raised to 80 is simply 1 over s minus a, in which a is equal to a, kapag kagaya naman siya ng formula, plus Laplace transform naman ito. In this case, the Laplace transform of e raised to negative 80, 1 over s minus negative a, that will become s plus a. Okay, so let's simplify this further para makita natin. So, let's continue this up here. Continuing this, tuloy lang natin 1/2. Then, cross-multiply. Cross-multiply natin to dito and cross-multiply natin to doon. And then, multiply natin yung dalawang denominator. So, what will happen? We will have s plus a plus s minus a all over s minus a s plus a. Now, what will happen? Simplify lang natin. Simplify lang. So, a minus a, this will just cancel. Shing, shing. And s plus s is equal to 2s. And take note of this dito sa denominator. What do we have? We have a difference of 2 squares. So, recall. So, sulat na natin siya in terms of s and a. S minus a, s plus a is also equal to the difference of s squared and a squared. So, this is equal to s squared minus a squared. So, what will happen? This will become 1/2. Again, s plus s is equal to 2s, and denominator natin ay magiging s squared minus a squared. Alright, so the 2 will cancel, shing, shing, and we will be left with s over s squared minus a squared. So this is the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine at. So take note of this formula. The Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine at is equal to s over s squared minus a squared. This is your formula number 4. So take note of that. So para mas madaling nating maalala, let's try some practice problems. Okay? So using our formula, s over s squared minus a squared, madali lang. So from here, the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine 3t, in which a is equal to 3, yung real number na kasama ng variable t. Again, this will become s. Ano nga yung formula natin? Remember this, s over s squared minus a squared. So this will become s squared minus a squared. Ang a natin is 3. So that should be squared. And simplifying that, we will have the answer s over s squared minus 3 squared is equal to 9. Now for this other practice problem, we have, labas lang natin si 4. 4 times the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of negative 2t. Then, again, applying the formula, don't forget the whole number 4 times s over, in this case, ang a natin ay negative 2. So, s squared minus negative 2 squared. So, simplifying, we will have 4 times s over s squared. Negative 2 squared is simply 4, so this will be minus 4. So our final answer will become 4s over s squared minus 4. So this is our final answer for this easy practice problems of our fourth formula in the Laplace transform, which is the Laplace transform of the hyperbolic cosine of at, which is equal to s over s squared minus a squared.